Hello, welcome to Quick SMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send personalized SMS using an Excel file. So we are going to include the column data of our spreadsheet inside our message. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to craft the message or prepare the Excel file. So let me use this as an example. Okay, so in this spreadsheet you have some columns here. Okay, now we want to send a message so that the system will pick the data from each column, from each selected column. Okay, and to do that, we are going to use the column name and then append dots at the beginning and then dots at the end to insert the data, the column data. Okay, so let's do it. So let's come to personalized SMS and then I'm going to schedule. Okay, now I have saved the template, so let me use that as an example. Okay, so as you can see, dot name dot here. You can see it in my spreadsheet. The column name is what? Name. So if I want the names of my recipient to appear in the message, I will just call the column name, that is the name, and then append dot at the beginning or put dot at the beginning and then dot at the end. If I want currency to show in the message, I will just call the currency, the column name, which is currency, put dot at the beginning, put dot at the end. Okay, now you have to make sure that the way you spelled or the way the alphabetical order is the same as what you have or what you've placed in the message. Okay, so we call it case sensitivity. It is case sensitive. So if, for example, currency is C is capital here, make sure that you do the same inside the message. Okay, so if I want premium to show in the message, I'll just use the column name, which is premium, put dot at the beginning and then dot at the end. Okay, so that is how it is done. Now let's also look at some rules in doing this. The first rule is that your column shouldn't have your spreadsheet shouldn't have more than 10 columns. The maximum columns we accept is 10, and you can have, this is just an example I have provided, you can have different columns with different data. Okay, and then rule number 2, the column that contains your contacts should always be the second column. The second column should always be the one having the recipient's phone numbers. Okay, now let me repeat. I'm saying that you can have many columns in the spreadsheet, but it shouldn't be more than 10 columns. That's one. And then 2, the column that has, or the second column should always be the column with the recipient's phone numbers or recipient contacts. Okay, so let's come back here. So after crafting our message, let me add thank you here. After crafting your message, you choose recipient option. So over here you click import from Excel. So it can be XLX file or CSV file. So you choose here, then you choose your file. Okay, with this example, I'm going to schedule. I'm going to deliver the message tomorrow at 10 a.m. and then schedule message. Okay, so now let's check the report, the messaging reports, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, this is the message I scheduled. The system has replaced the parameters with the column data. So dear Yalmensa, a premium of, you see the currency, the premium has been paid on your vehicle with registration number. This premium will expire on 24th August 2024. Okay, so I have placed the data in my spreadsheet in the message by using the column names as parameters in the message. And to do that, I called the column name, or I used the column name as it is typed in the spreadsheet, and then I appended dot at the beginning and then dot at the end. Okay, so I'll end here. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.